internet, welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. I'm Alla, this is Milo, and today I'll be showing you how to color more eggs without the food colors. There's one really awesome method how you can do it with just plain tissues with drawings on, and I thought it was insanely good method. Yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and check out obviously all my other episodes. We still got a few more to go in my Easter series, but I hope you've been enjoying them so far. Here I have different types of paper tissues, and this one is super colorful with different drawings, birds and flowers and so forth. Here I've got some bees, some ducks and some birds. You're gonna need some white eggs and egg whites and a pastry brush. So first thing what you want to do, you want to take your tissue and just take off the first layer from the tissue, as we'll be gluing these onto our eggs. So it's really important that the paper is not very thick. So try and get that so you can see it's quite see-through. And what you want to do then, whichever drawing or picture that you want to put onto your egg, you want to just gently break off. And you can do this with scissors, but also working with hands and just ripping them off works really well, as the white sort of bits go into the egg and you won't see that they were sort of broken with your hands rather than scissors. But whatever is easiest for you, you can do that. So I'm just going to break all the pictures that I want to put onto my eggs from different tissues. And here you can see my pile with my birds, my goose, my bees, and different ones like frog and flowers and birds. And I just love those because they're so colorful, and they're actually blue, so we'll see. Then take your egg whites and you want to whisk this with your fork for just a couple of minutes to break down the proteins and make sure there's a little bit of foam. And you want to put your pastry brush in there. As some of you know, I have launched my online cooking school where you can learn how to make the most amazing cakes ever. I've got level 1, 2 and 3 for beginners to advanced, and you'll be able to learn the beautiful mousse cakes. You can also do this as a gift for somebody who loves cooking and baking. I think it's an awesome present. And of course, if you wanted to learn yourself. Each course has over 20 to 40 video lessons in there where I teach you all the skills, different cakes and unique designs. We also have a Facebook community group for all the bakers that join my course, and you will have my unlimited support throughout teaching and learning. I really hope to see you in my online cooking school, and if you have any more questions, then leave the comments down below. So first I'm going to show you how to do the bird. So what you want to do, you want to take your drawing, put it on top of your egg, and then just gently brush it over with your egg white. Because egg white is very sticky and dries out quickly, you don't want to put too much because you don't want to ruin the painting or the picture. And just go around with your hand to take away any creases and just to make sure it looks very, very nice and natural. It's completely up to you how many birds or pictures or whatever you might have you want to put onto your eggs. I sometimes find putting just 2 is enough, or just 1, or I'm going to do loads on this one just with different birds. You always want to use your finger as the main glue and then just add more egg white on top when you do this. If you have too much egg white, make sure you have a little bit of tissue on the side just to wipe down your hands, as you don't want to have too much of the egg whites and not leave any lines. So just keep going, and there it is. We've put like 3 birds on here. Now I'm going to show you with goose. This one is very white. The reason I'm showing you different methods is just so you can see what kind of paintings you can have on your eggs. The white ones on the white color work the best, so don't be tempted to get different colored tissues, as they won't work as much on the white eggs. So it's always best to get white tissues with like little drawings like that. And this one I find is very, very cute. It's almost like this duck or goose really did this egg. So you just want to do the same process. It's really easy. You just go around and place as many drawings as you want on top of the egg. These bees, I thought they were really cute, but actually they're not so bright in color as you can see. So I thought this wasn't the best creation, although I tried to put loads of bees all over the egg just to make it look pretty. And I think it looks okay. But in the future, I think I'll only pick pictures that are really bright in colors and have more sort of color to them, because it's already white. You don't want it to be super white. This is a blue tissue, so it's an exception to the white tissue, but it's kind of a light blue. I don't know if you can see in the camera. I'm just gonna go around. It's a bit thicker as well, so you might need to add a bit more of your egg white and just spread it around. And I thought these looked really beautiful as well. Because they're sort of light blue, they still match really well with the egg and are not too much in your face and kind of blend in together. And especially this tissue had so many different drawings on it that I couldn't, I think I designed 5 eggs just with this tissue, as they had flowers and frogs and all sorts of things. But yeah, guys, so once you kind of finish with all the eggs, just wipe off any excess egg white and just set it aside to dry out completely. Here is a beautiful bluebird. How cute is this? Then I also tried to do this on brown eggs, but I didn't really like how it looks. It looks a bit messy, and you can see that when it dries out, it doesn't look that nice. So make sure you use white eggs, guys. But here you are, guys, a natural way to make your eggs beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.